This Jazz is awesome. Back for Animal Crossing New Leaf. I have no idea at all. Honestly, I have no clue what part it is. But, you know how Apple was moving out? Well, I think my little sister's gonna take Apple. Oh, that's right, Mayor Jazz. There's a new gardening shop opening on Main Street today. It'll have flower seeds and gardening supplies. Good news for anyone in town with a green thumb. I've been thinking of planting a few flowers myself, so maybe I'll check it out. You should too. By the way, I'm using different filming, just to clarify. Sorry. Let me just... Okay. Alright, so we got some mail. From our mom. Whatever. Let's see what she gave us. I think I know what it is, because I've been playing my actual New Leaf. But we'll just double check. Yep, knew it. Shaved ice maker. Okay. We're just gonna be catching a lot of stuff, talking to our villagers, and trying to make money. So I caught a robust cicada. My inventory's still full from last time. This episode's gonna be shorter. Oh yeah, guys, comment down below if you think it would be okay if I play this in my own time too, so we could be making more progress. Because I am kind of tempted to play it. But if you guys don't want me to, then I'm just cool with that. Now, what we forgot to do yesterday was go in here and talk to Isabelle. So... Okay, so our town development permit. So we can do ordinances and public works projects. Okay. So we're gonna actually set some of that up. I don't have that much money right now. But what I'm going to do is probably start a public works project. I know how to do this, by the way. Yeah. Here are the current requests. I already know what we're going to build. We're going to build a park clock. Let's do this. Oh, Mayor Jess, please lead me to the spot. Oh, hey, Static. Just wondering where I'm gonna put it. Maybe around here? What do you think? Okay, no. Okay. Maybe here? Yeah. All set. So. Okay. So, yeah. We're gonna have to make some money. But basically the question for today is it okay if I play this game on my own time? Please answer down below. I need some help. So, yeah.